The rain. It finally stopped. Oh, it's freezing out here. What? Oh my gosh. I need to get there. I need to get to the command center. Oh, no. Mayday! Mayday, I need help. I need help.
Okay, did you just get that fucking radio message?
Yes! He's out there! He's dying! He's freezing!
What happened to his friend? I forgot that dude's name. He kind of sucked.
No. Doctor...
Shit! Fuck. We gotta rush. We need to get guys.
I'll pack bags.
I'll get some... Let's go.
We really have time. We just
gotta
gotta
go. Let's go, come on. Get the camera. We need to document this.
We need to document this. We'll be national heroes. Oh! Shit. We gotta get... Just go!
Okay. We just arrived, Vlad.
Alright.
It's really cold.
Oh.
Where is he? I don't see him.
Where are you? Dr. Art! We're here.
I'm not seeing any traces of him. It's really...
It's freezing.
Maybe over here.
Wait.
Ah!
Are you okay?
My leg.
No. Don't move.
I see a base. Get in there.
No, wait. We can use the... Wait. Shit!
What?
We're out of fuel.
Shit!
The engine's empty. Damn it. Just, let's go in here just for a moment. Sit down. Sit down.
Wait. Do you remember these Antarctic? The doors locked from the inside.
Oh. What? Okay, sit.
What have you
Sit
done?
here. Sit here.
What have we done?
It's okay. It's okay. He's still out there. We can regroup. Just
Stop filming. We've been here since
2 weeks.
2 weeks since we got here. We found a video camera from Dr. Jimmy and Art.
Yes.
We weren't expecting it, but it seems they encountered some sort of evil being who seemed to have still been in here when Dr. Art left. The Acid Man could still be somewhere.
Well, Art claims to have killed him, and I'd like to keep it positive, try to hopefully boost our morale as we're trapped here. I hope he's dead. I think he's dead.
In case we die and we're not known, we are very low-ranking Antarctic researchers. We live in Russia. We're not Russian, but we have very much Russian descent. I am Dr. Igor Rosman.
And I am Dr. Vladimir Smirnov.
We decided to take on this mission as basically radio tower control and basically support. We weren't completely meant to do missions, but we decided to do this because we thought it could be a big break for us.
We started filming it and everything.
But we don't know totally if we're gonna make it out of here. I've broken my leg. It's just only starting to get better. I've had it in this position since we got here. I immediately broke my leg. What kind of researcher am I?
It's okay. It's not your fault.
I'm gonna try to stand on it.
Just be careful, be careful. Ah!
I think I can walk.
Okay.
And we should look for supplies. Turn it on! Turn it on!
I did.
I found some supplies over here. I put them on the table. First off, we found a small man. He could keep us in company.
I call him Johnny.
I found this. I believe it's some sort of chess. We might be able to play this for entertainment.
Yes.
And
Get it out.
no, not yet. It's not smart. We gotta think smart here. It's okay. It's okay. And I found a pair of scissors if we need them. I found some music. It could be good. I think there's a tape player over there.
Yes.
And if worse comes to worse, I found a couple of snub-nosed pistols.
Which the Acid Man from Dr. Jimmy and Dr. Art's footage should be, according to Art, he should be dead. But just in case.
He's only susceptible to staples, and we did not find a staple gun.
I don't know what they did with that staple gun, but it's not it.
I can't do it!
No! No! Don't do it! Don't fucking do it.
Fine!
Igor.
My name's pronounced Igor. We don't even know each other's names. What are we gonna do?
We're gonna try the tape.
I think I found something else.
What? Oh my gosh, it's so bright.
It's almost mesmerizing. Don't look at it.
Everything's so much lighter in here.
Here's where I found the tape player.
We're gonna see what's on it.
So blue!
Look at the blue.
Maybe this is a good thing. What's going on?
What? Turn it off, turn it off.
I can't, it's not working!
No. Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Fuck!
You want to see why I wanted you to start filming?
Yes.
Checkmate.
Damn it.
There's one bright side about this whole fiasco is that I found out I'm very good at chess. Maybe I could start playing professionally if we ever were able to escape.
I don't know how anybody could be better than you. Every single time.
You beat me once.
You gave that to me. You were barely even paying attention. You were looking at this Charmander Pokemon.
Stop showing my personal items. Put this away. I have an idea. We haven't tried this door yet.
Yes. Open it. Get her. Let's get us out. Get out. So sick of the freezing cold. Yes. Break it down. Closed.
It's shut. It's shut.
It's closed. It's closed. It's closed. It's closed. What the hell are we gonna do?
What was that? I can't handle this.
Just don't. Not now, not here. Oh!
I'm sorry, your shoulder.
I'm bleeding.
I'm so sorry. I didn't. Is the wrapping good? Is it stopping the bleeding?
I don't think it's. I think it stopped.
What do we do?
I don't know.
Is this heat?
Is he?
Yes!
Get me over there.
I feel it! Can you not stand? The warmth. Maybe you can get higher.
No. You broke it, you bastard! You shot me. No!
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 Nothing good will come from us fighting! The light was almost euphoric last time. I think maybe we can just do it for a little bit.
Fine. Yes. Turn it off! What is... No!
Where's the gun?
No! Give it to me! No! Give it to me! Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it.
The gun's broken.
No. 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 Where's the other one? We lost.
Give it to me. It's mine. I found it. We need to cherish this. One bullet.
No. Give it to me, please. Give it to me.
We will only use this if we have to. Stop. It's been another month. We're out of food. We're basically all out of supplies. Give me my jacket back. Are you done bleeding? We've tried to repair the heating system many times and haven't been able to. It's just skin. Oh. We have nothing else to eat, nothing else to use, nothing else to wear, nothing else to anything. We played chess millions of times. We haven't looked at the blue light again, but last time we looked at the blue light, it wasn't so bad.
Nothing even happened.
We woke up and, we didn't remember what had happened when the blue light was on. This mask has been moving. It seems like some sort of ancient artifact. I'm not completely sure, but
It's almost peaceful looking.
the blue light has seemingly gotten brighter.
Let's do it.
No! Do you see this? Come over here. It looks like there's a tear in the system.
What?
The wires. No.
The light's off. Can't see anything.
Our light's broken.
Damn it.
There's only one more source. No! We can't.
Was it even that bad?
No, but think about what could happen. Last time, we only got out of it because it happened to fall. What could happen if it didn't?
I don't want to live this life anymore. What good is it to starve and freeze out here and die?
Turn off this camera.
Igor, nothing even happened.
Dad, we can't. I don't know.
No! You... No!
Vlad! Vladimir, are you alright?